This is a verb. This is something you would do. Eschalon.
In a vehicle.
Is it along those lines in a vehicle? Yeah. I'm Alex and I'm in Rosen Bridge.
I'm Simon and I'm the guitarist in Eschalon.
Now we're going to play some... So the first word is sassing. What is sassing?
That's what Mitzi does, my husky. She's very sassy.
She's sassing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a verb.
Sassing about the place.
I'll take that. That's pretty good.
Dancing.
Dancing. Oh, I mean, that would be a dancing. It's a place.
Ho. Yeah, ho.
Even more specific.
A bog? Okay. Within a home.
Right,
You're doing very well here.
We're going to go even more specific. Sassing is a country.
Sassanasia, mate. I don't know.
Alex, come on. It's right there.
I gotta do it. It's a country.
It's a country.
Is it just England?
Is it England?
It's England and Gaelic. This one is Eschalon. This is a verb. This is something you would do.
In a vehicle.
Is it along those lines in a vehicle? Yeah.
I love the fact that Simon has gone for like the onomatopoeia.
Yeah.
Like,
Years of watching rap battles has done that. Rap battles ruined my life. That's the t-shirt, isn't it?
There's been a lot of Eschalon this weekend, particularly on the stage.
Sexy riffs.
Ooh, screaming.
Screaming, ding, ding, ding! Eschalon is Gaelic for screaming. That's bad. So you were doing a lot of Eschalon, as was I.
I just mimed the words, mate. Play the chugs.
Okay, and here's the last word we're going to go for. Feis. What is a feis?
Sounds like a type of haircut or something.
A feis is the type of haircut. Say Simon. Feis. Alex.
So we've attended a concert. Am I close?
Very close. A festival. He's done it. A feis is a festival.
UK tech face, calm down.
Tapalet. That's where you say thank you. Tapalet. Tapalet.
Tapalay.
Love it. This is a UK rendition of Gaelic words with British bands. British friends. Okay, thank you guys.